Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write an essay on honesty. So let's get started. Honesty is truly the best policy as it is foundation of a well-working relationship. Not only that, it nourishes the life of people in many ways. Trust is the base of any relationship which is obtained from the honesty. Generally, people feel hard to be honest as it is quite tough to maintain honesty. What is honesty? Honesty is a good quality which involves being truthful and trustworthy in all the aspects of life forever. It never involves cheating and being unethical to others in life. It is moral behavior based on truthfulness and free from all the evil motives. Importance of honesty. Honesty is the good quality and great virtue of much importance. It it is always adored in the family, society, and all over the world. A person having the property of honesty truly becomes an honest man. Whether a person is honest or dishonest completely depends on his or her family ethics and surrounding environment. If parents are honest, surely they will pass it to their children genetically. Otherwise, it can be developed practically, which needs patience and dedication. An honest person is always known for his or her honesty, just like a sun is known for its eternal light and unlimited energy. It is a quality which helps a person to succeed in life and get much respect. It gives identification to the moral character of a person. Dishonest people may easily get trust and respect from other people, however, lost that forever whenever they're caught. Being dishonest is found sin in all religions, however, people practice it for their short time benefits. And selfishness. Dishonest people always become hated and disbelieved in the family and society. They never get support and sympathy from good people, even God. They never become morally strong and their life become miserable. An honest person moves freely in society and spread his or her frankness in all directions. Being honest is never mean to bear the bad habit of others or bear the ill-treated activities everyone has. Rights to reveal and take action against what is going wrong with him. Conclusion. Honesty is a virtue which shows moral ethics of a person. If all the people seriously practice to get honest, then the society will become an ideal society and free of all the corruptions and evils. There will be huge changes in the day-to-day life of everyone. It can happen very easily if all the parents and teachers understand their responsibility towards the nation and teach their children and students about moral ethics. Thanks for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.